Namaste, welcome to your detoxifying twist and rinse yoga flow. For this class you will need 2 blocks and keep them somewhere close by. Come towards the front of your yoga mat with your feet hip width apart, soften your knees. Stand up tall, keep your shoulders relaxed and extend your arms out to the sides. Take a big belly breath in through your nose, deep breath out in mountain pose, Tadasana. Then take a deep breath in, circle your arms down, around and all the way up, fold forward from your hips, soften your knees, come all the way down, place your hands on the blocks. If you don't have blocks, place them on your thighs or shins. And then as you inhale, come up halfway, lengthen your spine. Exhale to lower down, forward fold. Inhale, circle your arms down, around and come all the way up. Exhale, unite your hands and draw your hands down in Anjali Mudra in front of your heart. Inhale, bring your arms down, around and up. Exhale, fold forward. Come all the way down. Hands on your blocks or legs. Inhale, come up halfway, lengthen your spine. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, circle your arms down, around and come all the way up. Exhale, join your hands in front of your heart. Samastarihi. Take a big belly breath in and out through your nose. Inhale, bring your arms down, around and all the way up, then fold forward. Place your hands on your blocks or legs. As you inhale, lengthen your spine, come up halfway. Exhale, lower down. Remember to soften your knees. And gently shake your head no, yes, relax your neck, keep your eyes open. Then bend your left knee, keep your left hand on your block, leg or the floor, and as you inhale, lift your right arm up, twisting from above your waist towards your right side. Take a big belly breath in and out through your nose for your first twist. Exhale, lower your right hand down and fold forward. Then bend your right knee, keep your right hand on the floor, block or your leg, and as you inhale, lift your left arm up, open up towards your left side, keep breathing. Twist and rinse. This is great to keep our spine mobile, to compress our internal organs. That helps our digestive system. Exhale, bring your left hand down and fold forward. Take 2 deep cleansing breaths here in your forward fold. Inhale, come up halfway. Step your left foot out to the back into a high lunge. Place your hands on your right knee. Right knee is right above your right ankle. You can keep your hands on your hips, or as you inhale, lift your arms all the way up. Hold your balance and bring your front lower ribs in. As you inhale, lengthen your legs, reach up. As you exhale, bend your right knee and twist your chest to the right. Lower your arms parallel with the ground. Inhale, straighten and lengthen. Exhale, bend your front knee, lower your arms parallel with the floor. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist to your right. Hold and take a deep breath. Then lower your right hand down and reach your left arm up. Keep holding your balance. And it's totally fine and totally normal if you lose balance. Gently bring yourself back into your pose if that happens. Beautiful. Windmill your left arm down. Place your left hand on your block or on the floor by the inside of your right foot and reach your right arm up for easy twist. Take a deep cleansing breath. Then lower your right hand down on the ground or on your block. And then slowly bring your left knee, top of your left foot down onto your mat for a quad stretch. Bring your left foot up, so you're bending your left knee, and with your right hand, reach towards your back. You don't have to hold on to your foot, just hold it here. Keep reaching with your right hand back. And keep bringing your left foot up. Breathe into your quad stretch while we're having a twist as well. Then slowly lower your left foot down. Frame your front foot and come to all fours. Let's flow it out in cat-cow pose. As you inhale, drop your belly, lift your chin, and as you exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest. Inhale, open your chest, lift your gaze. Exhale, hollow out your belly, angry cat. And then inhale, come back to neutral spine, tabletop position, switching sides. Step your left foot forward, one big step, small steps. Then curl your right toes under, lift your right knee up, and come into your high lunge. So make sure that your blocks are close by. Slowly bring yourself up by placing your hands on your left knee. Left knee is right above your left ankle. Keep your hands on your hips or lift your arms up. Lift your lower back ribs up, breathe, and hold yourself strong and steady. Then as you inhale, straighten out your legs, reach up, and as you exhale, twist to your left side. Lower your arms parallel with the ground. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, straighten, turn your chest to center. Exhale, bend your front knee, twist to your left. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist to your left and hold. Take one deep cleansing breath. Keep yourself steady and then slowly lower your left arm down. Reach your right arm up. Hold your balance. Take a deep breath. Beautiful. Windmill your right arm down. Place your right hand on your block or on the floor by the inside of your left foot and reach your left arm up for easy twist. Take a deep cleansing breath. Rinse out all the toxins, everything that no longer serves you. Then lower your left hand down. Come into a low lunge. Bring your right knee on the floor, top of your right foot down. And then bend your right knee, lift your right foot up, and with your left hand, reach towards the back. Reach for your right foot, but don't hold it, just keep reaching. Breathe deeply into your right quad, psoas and hip flexor at the same time. As you exhale, rinse everything out while you're in this twist as well. Lower the top of your right foot down, frame your front foot, come into tabletop position for your cat-cow pose exercise. As you inhale, lift your head and tail up, and as you exhale, bring your head and tail down. Inhale, arch your spine, open your chest. Exhale, rounding your spine and contract. Inhale, come back to center, tabletop position. And then from here, keep your hips over your knees, walk your hands out towards the front of your yoga mat, lower your chest down and place your forehead on the ground for puppy pose. You can lift the base of your palms up so that you're on your fingertips. Enjoy a nice stretch. Take a deep cleansing breath. Lengthen out your spine. Stretch out your shoulders. And then lower the base of your palms down. Come back on all fours for thread the needle pose. As you inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, thread it under your chest, over towards your right side. Rest on your left cheek, left arm and shoulder. You can keep your right hand by your right shoulder or lengthen it out towards the front of your yoga mat. Take a deep cleansing breath. Gentle twist with a shoulder stretch. Release any tension. And melt. Place your right hand back under your right shoulder, and as you inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, left hand under your left shoulder. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, thread it under your chest, cross it towards your left side, resting on your right cheek, right shoulder and arm. Keep your left hand where it is, or you can lengthen it out towards the front of your yoga mat. Take a few deep cleansing breaths. Lengthen your spine. Enjoy a gentle twist and a shoulder stretch. Then slowly bring your left hand back under your shoulder. Inhale, reach your right arm up and place it back. Place your right hand back on the floor. And then come towards the front of your yoga. Take a seat towards the front of your yoga mat. Hold on to your knees. Bring your chin to your chest and roll yourself in a slow and controlled way all the way down until you're lying down on the floor. Hug your right knee into your chest. You can keep your left knee bent or straighten your left knee out. You scoot your hips over towards your right and let your right knee fall to your left side for a supine twist. Open your right arm out to the side. Keep your head in the center or gently look over your right side. Take a few deep breaths in your supine twist pose. You can stay here, or we can add an IT band stretch by straightening out your right leg. Flex your right foot. Take a deep breath. Nicely done. And then slowly come back to center. Place your feet on the floor with your knees up. Scoot your hips over towards your left side. Bend your left knee and gently bring it over towards your right side. Keep both shoulders on the floor and bring your left arm towards your left side for a supine twist on the other side. So your right knee can be bent, your right leg can be straight, whatever you prefer. Make it as comfortable as possible for yourself. And remember to breathe. If you'd like, you can add the IT band stretch by straightening out your left leg. Flex your left foot. Take a few deep cleansing breaths. Allow your body to soften. Well done. Bend your left knee. Come back to center. Then bring your knees up towards your chest. You can hold it here in full wind pose, or you can grab on to your ankles or maybe big toe. With your peace fingers, you can hold on to your big toes and then gently let your knees fall towards the ground for happy baby pose. So choose the option that works best for you. Take a deep breath and then hug your knees back into your chest. And let's finish our yoga practice, the physical asana practice, in Shavasana. Lengthen out your legs, let your feet fall wide open. Bring your arms along your body with your palms facing up. Head is in the center. Keep your gaze soft or close your eyes. Take 5 big belly breaths in and out through your nose. Allow your body to completely soften and melt away with each exhale. Inhaling clean, fresh air. Exhaling everything, any remaining tension or other things that you no longer need. Slowly begin to wake up. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Then bring your knees up. Roll over towards your right side in fetal position. Gently push yourself up to a cross-legged position for a meditation. You can take a seat on your block or meditation cushion. Sit up tall. Lengthen the back of your neck. Relax your shoulders. And you can rest your palms on your thighs. Softly gaze at the floor or close your eyes and settle in with 2 deep cleansing breaths in and out through your nose. And then allow your breath to come back to its natural rhythm. Feel free to take deep breaths whenever you feel like. I have a few affirmations for you. You can simply listen to them or softly repeat it inside your head. I take deep, full, cleansing, nourishing breaths of air into my lungs. With each exhale, I release all thoughts and stale air that no longer serve me. I take deep, full, cleansing, nourishing breaths of air into my lungs. With each exhale, I release all thoughts and stale air that no longer serve me. As my body purifies with each breath, so does my mind. As my body purifies with each breath, so does my mind. I am calm and at peace, and nothing and nobody can disturb my inner peace. I am calm and at peace. Nothing and nobody can disturb my inner peace. Today is a new day. I feel refreshed, relaxed, and grateful for my miraculous, beautiful body. Today is a new day. I feel refreshed, relaxed, and grateful for my miraculous, beautiful body. And the final affirmation is inspired by this quote by Louise Hay. The quote goes, "The food you eat is as important as the thoughts you think. The food you eat is as important as the thoughts you think." And I have this affirmation for you. I choose healthy food for my body and healthy thoughts for my mind. I choose healthy food for my body and healthy thoughts for my mind. Keep your breath smooth and steady and allow the words, the affirmations, echo in your inner landscape. Begin to deepen your breath, and let's finish and seal our practice together. Lower your chin down, flutter your eyes open. Inhale through your nose, lift your arms up. Deep breath out, unite your hands and draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Thank yourself for taking this time for your health, your well-being, and committing to your yoga and meditation practice. May it be a blessing to you, and thank you so much for joining me. From my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like and share this video with your friends and family, and I look forward to seeing you soon again.